Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a group of points and find the mean, median, central feature, and a circle of the standard deviation of the values for those points, so the locations of those points. So this would be equivalent to, so for like the mean, it'd be the equivalent of taking the mean latitude, mean longitude, and plotting that point. But we can do this in arcGIS Pro. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. And we're going to go to the command search up here, and we're going to search for, if you just search summarize, it'll be in here. So summarize, center, and dispersion is what we want to summarize. And so first we tell it what we want to summarize. So in this case, we only have one thing in here, and this is our GPS points of the Washington Monument. And then you have several different options for outputs, and what you want to do is give each of these a name. And so in order to be able to figure out which point is which, we want to name these something that tells us what they are. So I'm going to say central feature, mean, median, and then for the ellipse, there's several different options that'll pop up when we start typing here, but we're going to do one standard deviation. And so you can see you have 1, 2, or 3. We're just going to do one standard deviation, and that's where it'll draw the ellipse. And so we're going to click run here. And so by looking at the mean and the median and whether they're on top of each other or separated, we can tell something about whether these points are normally, the error is normally distributed or not. And once this eventually runs, there we go. Okay, and so we have the mean, median, central feature. I'm just going to get rid of the tool here. And you know, obviously, if you were to make a map of this, you can't tell what any of these are. But if you click, you can change the appearance of these so that you can more easily see what the mean is, what the median is, which one is the central feature. So obviously there are a number of different ways to change the symbology, but I'm just grabbing quick ones here. And so we can see, we can start to examine the points in this way. And if you make a map and have these come up as your legend, you'll be able to tell which points are which. So that's how to look at the measures of the distribution of a bunch of points collected around one spot.